Losing a friend is terrible.
Oh hello, the long right. Well, I have to tell you something.
Stinger, maybe we didn't make it to the beach, but we made it to a lake.
Yes, and also the moon is very pretty.
Where is the moon? I don't see it.
Hello, I went to get my dog to give my show, but I see that everyone left, and when I went to get my dog, an idiot cut off his legs. If he found him, he would kill him instantly. Why do you put a face? Maybe it was you. To get my dog, an idiot cut off his legs. If he found him, he would kill him instantly. Well, that doesn't matter anymore. I know where we can take refuge. Follow.
Hey, first you have to go through this part. I don't know where Fire Dog was, but hey, some partisans, right?
Well done, now my turn.
Oh shit, this is unfair. And besides, they're not supposed to come back. Hey sir, it's damaged. I better go.
Yes, that's a perfect shot.